2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Plum Crazy Pearl over black, 1,800 actual miles, one owner, 707 horsepower, 6.2 liter Hemi V8.
Sure.
Tremec 6-speed, showroom fresh.
Sure.
You got to imagine when Chrysler, Dodge, Stellantis, whoever was coming up with this name, do you think that they went back and forth about calling something a Hellcat? Do you think that had to be a lot of push and pull and fighting and give and take?
Sure.
And, are you sure we want?
I don't think there was any middle ground.
No, either like no.
Or
Not,
wow.
Or wow, how cool would that be if we
Did you, when you were in LA, did you do these research groups where you get paid to sit in on a table? I used to love that. I did some car once. So I'm sure they had some, what do they call that? Research? I don't know. But
Focus group.
Focus group. Thank you.
Yeah.
Focus group. And sit around a table and they show you commercials and stuff.
Yeah, I did that with a movie, and I did it with a couple of commercials, and I did it with a couple of cars. I don't even remember what the cars were. It was like a Plymouth Volare.
Yeah.
Or something.
I don't know if that's still around, but it was a thing for actors to do when they were out of work.
Oh, yeah.
And it was a big network.